Okay world, this is how you make your own crackers. Fresh crackers in 70 seconds. You take flour tortilla from Mission Flour Tortillas. Put it on a plate, paper plate, cut it, and put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 10 seconds. That's a total of 70 seconds, and that'll do it. Okay, cook time, 1 minute and 10 seconds, and hit start. There we go. How's it going? I'll get back to you when it's, well, maybe I'll just let it run. 1 minute is not that long to watch. And then once it's done, you leave it for about 30 seconds in the microwave. It kind of has to like dry out and cool down a little bit, and then you just put a little bit of butter on it, and you get yourself some nice butter and crackers. It's pretty cool. Okay, this is at 29 seconds left. Okay. And if you smell a burning smell, obviously you've gone too far. But this is the end. Okay, and this microwave is a where's the wattage on this thing? Okay, the wattage is up here somewhere. Rated watts. There we go. Input 1600 watts, output 950. Man, these things are not very efficient. Puts it around about, what, 60% efficiency or something? That's terrible. For September, manufactured September 2020. Wow. So this is January of 2022. So this thing's really new microwave. So. Anyways, this is what you come out with, and if you gotta let them cool down a little bit, and they'll get a little more cracklier. They'll get a little bit more crackery. Okay, it's been around 30 seconds to a minute, and let them cool down a little bit, and you'll see they got some snap to them. If they're still a little soft, you can microwave more for 15 seconds at a time until you get the right time. Then you can write down, you know, what it takes for your microwave wattage. But go plus or minus 15 seconds, and make sure you let them, like I said, cool down. After they've been in the microwave, they get a lot more snap to them. And there you go. You got nice crunchy crackers. And I just like to put a little bit of butter on them. And they're nice for nibbling. Nice little snack food. Alright, thanks for watching. Click like on the video. Subscribe. Thanks. Bye.